is united, shall never be defeated.
When Africa is united,
Shall never be defeated.
when Africa is united,
Shall never be defeated.
with soul, with blood,
Shall never be defeated. We shall never be defeated.
when Africa united, shall
Never
never
be defeated.
when nations united,
Shall never be defeated.
when nations united,
Shall never be defeated.
with soul, with blood,
Shall never be defeated.
soul, with blood,
Shall never be defeated.
with soul, with blood,
Shall never be defeated.
when nations united,
Shall never be defeated.
when nations united,
Shall never be defeated. Defeated.
guys. Assalamu alaikum. Salam no. Urimuaji. Habari zenu. Dear brothers, my name is Amir Sheikh. I'm from the African Diaspora Forum. With me is Dr. Fusimuzi Sibanda, the chair you all know. We have got our brother Musa Kumbe, a very concerned local South African who have been standing with us all these days. Before we even talk much, I want to tell you one thing. The unity of the migrant is paramount. Please forget these things of that I am Yao, this one is XYZ, this one is Dhaka. The other one is no Kumilat, is not going to help you. It's not going to help you whether you say I am Silte, I am Gurage, I am Sidama, I am Oromo, I am Somali, I'm Kambata, I'm Hadiya. What will help us? Is only one thing. Irrespective of whether you are from Nigeria, whether you are an Igbo man, whether you are Hausa, whether you are Fulani, the only thing that will help us is to come together as a migrant and fight together as a migrant. If you think David Makura will help you, Makura will not help you. He is the problem we are facing today.
Yes.
Herman Mashaba is the problem.
Yes.
Talking of counterfeit, millions of rand of counterfeit.
Yeah.
Where are they going to? Have you ever seen them banning counterfeit goods?
No.
Do we manufacture counterfeit goods?
No.
Where do they come from?
China.
And where do they pass?
Their airport and their seaport.
And seaport. Why are we victimized?
It's from Machaba. It's coming from Machaba.
Let us the only way, brothers, we cannot be intimidated by 10 men who are driving on a combi and we run helter-skelter.
Yes.
We must come together, irrespective of our differences. African United shall never be defeated. With blood, with our soul, with everything, we will defend what we got right for.
Yes.
We will defend our property.
Yes.
We will defend our shops.
Yes.
We will defend our business.
Yes.
We will defend our dignity and integrity.
Yes.
We are not here courtesy of South Africans. We are not here courtesy of anyone. When South Africa needed the assistance of Africa,
we are all there for
they
them.
were all assisted.
Yes.
I mentioned an interview this morning when Nigeria attained independence under the first Prime Minister Alhaji Sir Abu Bakr Tafawa Balewa.
Yes.
They give them the support they needed.
Yes.
Ghana, the first country independent, they give them the
$50
support.
catch.
Mandela was trained to use a gun by an Ethiopian, Colonel Tesfaye Birru. Morocco that economically supported them with money.
Yes.
The Zimbabwean, the Mozambican, the Zambian, all frontier countries suffered because they harbored South Africans. We are not foreigners in an African land. We can never be foreigner in our own land.
Yes.
Today, South Africa have invested hugely in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Sierra Leone, in Kenya, all over. MTN is everywhere.
Yes.
Fulbright is everywhere. Multi-choice is
everywhere. Thank you.
We are not
Tell them.
attacking them. Why are they not
That is what's
attacking
spending
us?
this money. Making money.
All Mozambican when Aka hijackers. Somalis, Ethiopian, Bangladesh, Pakistani run decent business.
Yes.
But every day they are under constant intimidation, interference and harassment of their business.
Yes.
Every second day,
Yes.
as the chairman of the Somali board, we bury one Somali national.
Yes.
The same with Ethiopia, same with Bangladesh. Please forget the ethnic divisions. It is God that made you Hadia. It is the same God that made me Somali. It is the same God that made you an Igbo. And it is not actually our calling, it's not our choice, but we are African.
Yes.
And an African we must stand. Please don't run away from Tokombis. Let's defend what we have got right for. I'll hand over to Brother Musa to hand over to the chairman of the forum. Oh, Yemeni is here, also your leader. Our reason of here being, we need people-to-people solidarity. When there is a problem, we must unite.
Yes.
We must forget our difference. We must forget religion. We must forget ethnicity. We must come and solve the problem amicably in an African way. And that is why we are here with you. That is why we are in Fordsburg today. That is why we spent a whole night in Melville and Julius. An injury to one, injury to all. An injury to one,
Yes.
injury to one,
Injury to all.
injury to one.
Injury to all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Once again, fellow brothers, business friends, sisters and brothers, I see there's no women here.
Behind you.
There's only 4 ladies that I see. But brothers, I want you to have a very serious thinking. A thinking of how far you came to reach South Africa, how much have you sacrificed to start your business, how much you have lost in trying to be patient with the government and the institutes of human rights. How much time have you given to this government trying to bow down to everything that they say they want us to be legal with? I am a South African, 100% South African, but I want to ask many South Africans, do they know that we also have relatives and cousins in other neighboring African countries?
Yes.
I don't want to talk about any other person, I'll talk about myself. I've got a relative in Mozambique who say fala Portuguese, fala Portuguese, me Urdu bolega, أو أنا عربية أتكلم أنا أفهم عربية. And all these languages I learned because I travel and study the African lifestyle. And when I go all over Africa, I realize that the whole of Africa is united and peaceful. There's not this kind of a situation that is happening here in South Africa. It's a matter of saying, what do we guys do to even educate these people to know that we are not foreigners in South Africa? Because South Africa is actually a tail of Africa. It's nothing in Africa but a And we coming here today, we are coming in support. Guys, sorry guys, you know, I've got a problem when we're talking, other people form groups in a group. I've got a serious problem with that. Then it means somebody's a sellout here.
Yeah, they are sellouts.
Meeting after meeting. If really don't want to be here.
Give them their woman rappers.
No, it's not my brother. Listen, if you don't want to be part of this.
Underwear for woman, that's what they are. That's what they are.
Press, protocol.
Men is
We're different. You know, the way you guys do things, the way we handle things is different. If you really want to win your enemy, you must be united.
Yes. Yes.
And if you really want to achieve your goal, you must be fair enough and respect one another. And respect starts from here. If you don't respect each other here, that is how they're going to get opportunity to do what they are doing here. And we need to be united and stop your tribal wars from other countries and become one thing in South Africa. So we are inviting all of you to join us as we want to take even that long walk. We'd rather take a walk since we close your shop, you're not doing anything.
Yes.
And control this whole Joburg.
Yes.
And make sure that we protect our own businesses.
Now.
And call upon all our foreign Africans to join us, even the Pakistanis, those who are sitting at home, to join us. We don't need permission to walk in this country. What we're going to do, we are not going to be as stupid as they are.
Yes.
We're not going to allow the Nyau and break any shop or ban somebody's car here.
Yes.
Ours is called peaceful march. It's not even a march, it's a walk. In solidarity to the things that are happening in the townships and other areas.
Yeah.
And we want the government today to see that we are tired of this thing that is going on in South Africa.
Yes.
And if they don't stop it, we are going to stand against one another.
Yes.
Guys, it's not nice to see a blood of your fellow brother. It's not nice to see a blood of your fellow brother for nothing sacrificed by bloody criminals.